Breaking news, the FBI is not sliding into your DMs. I repeat, the FBI is not hitting you up in your DMs on Telegram. But cybercriminals, they've gotten creative. Apparently, pretending to be a Nigerian prince got old, so they are now posing as FBI agents, trying to help you get your scam money back by ripping you off a second time. Reached scam session. Rock bottom isn't low enough. They've found the basement. According to Tech Radar, some fraudsters are cruising through online forums, pretending to be grateful victims, saying that the IC3, which is the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center, helped them recover their money after being scammed. And guess what? They then direct you to a very official sounding Jaimie Quin on Telegram. Allegedly, Jaimie is the chief of the IC3. Spoiler alert, Jaimie is not with the FBI. Jaimie is a dude with a burner phone in a dream. Let's break it down for you. The real FBI agents do not DM people on Telegram. If somebody is asking for your passwords or banking info, they are not a federal agent. They are a cybercriminal with Wi-Fi. The end result could be you getting re-scammed harder than somebody that's invested in crypto at the wrong time. So remember, if the FBI wants to reach you, they will find you and they will knock loudly. You'll know it. Stay safe out there and maybe don't take cyber advice from Jaimie Quin on Telegram.